Alrighty, we've just arrived on Moreton Island. Moreton Island is located approximately 40 kilometres east of Brisbane. We're here for a long weekend. We're staying for 4 nights. I've got my wife Jessie and my mates Aaron and Nathan. They're in the Pajero and we're in a Mitsubishi Challenger. Moreton Island's a sand-only island. There's four-wheel drive access only. There's no bitumen there. So we've just arrived at Tangalooma, which is behind me, and we're going to be heading down to Tangalooma, have a swim, have a snorkel, and then we're going to head up to Castaways, where we're staying for the 4 nights, and get some lunch and dinner. Alrighty, we just finished up at the Tangalooma wrecks. They were pretty phenomenal. Like, I've never seen anything like that before. So close to Brisbane. We're just driving north up the western beach at the moment, just heading up to our camp where we're staying tonight at Castaways. Apparently it's about a 20-minute drive, so we're just in 2nd gear high range. Looks like Nathan's gotten himself into a spot of mischief, eh? We'll give him a quick snatch out. He should be out in no time. we're at the end of our first day on Moreton Island. It's been fantastic. We've done some pretty interesting stuff today. We saw the Tangalooma wreck, and we've just checked into the glamping tents at Castaways. That's where we're staying tonight. It's 20 minutes north of Tangalooma. There are a few other options on the island. You can try the camping. There's the Airbnbs available. There's also Tangalooma Resort. But yeah, we've chosen the glamping tents just because this is just a weekend trip for us. We're just down on the beach at the moment. We're just going to watch the sunset, and yeah, it's been an awesome first day. Alrighty, we're just heading out of Bulwer at the moment, where we're staying at Castaways. We're just heading through the inland track, the Blue Lagoon Road, and we're not sure what's open at the moment because there's been a few fires lately that have come through here. But we're gonna go check out the Blue Lagoon Road. If it's open, we'll go check out Blue Lagoon. Otherwise, we'll just go up to the Champagne Rocks and check out the lighthouse if we can. So yeah, that's what we're doing this afternoon. Half an hour drive from Bulwer to Blue Lake. Blue Lake's a large freshwater lake on the western side of the island. Absolutely beautiful. Alrighty, we got up nice and early this morning. We decided we'd go check out the Moreton Island lighthouse, and here we are, we made it. The tracks are in pretty good condition. It took about 45 minutes to get here from the Bulwer. But yeah, it's pretty amazing up here. We'll get the drone up and see how it looks. Getting around on Moreton Island is pretty straightforward. You've got the eastern and the western beaches, and then you've also got Middle Road, which is 2 lanes, one each way, and that connects the east and the western beach, and that's how you can like drive to get across from one side of the beach to the other. And then up on the northern end near Bulwer, you've got Blue Lagoon Road that takes you through the middle of the island to the Blue Lagoon, and then you've also got the other track that takes you up to the lighthouse, the one that we did yesterday. When you're driving these inland tracks, you just want to make sure you've got the correct tyre pressures. We've got about 15 psi today, and make sure you have your traction control turned off. And just I've got an automatic, so I'm just putting it in manual mode, 2nd gear, and we're just cruising on through. It's pretty easy, there's nothing to it.
That was even worse.
Oh, that's so much better.
Yeah, so we've had a fantastic couple of days on Moreton Island. We've seen the Tangalooma wrecks. We've done that pretty much every day. That's just, I haven't got words for how beautiful that is. We went and saw the lighthouse. It's pretty cool. That's a pretty good look out there, and it's only like a 2-minute walk up to the top of the lighthouse. So not like Fraser Island, the 2-kilometre walk. That's pretty, it's a long walk. We've also went and saw the Lagoon, and we went to the gutter bar down south. We've pretty much done a whole lap of the island. But there's something special about Moreton Island. I think it's just that relaxed sort of vibe you get. It just makes you want to just sit by the beach and have a few beers and don't do much at all. But yeah, Moreton Island's absolutely lovely. We're going to be back here in a few months, I bet. Alrighty, we're waiting for the Mycat ferry. We've just had another lovely swim at Tangalooma. That's definitely the highlight of the trip for me. I haven't been to Moreton Island before, but this has been pretty special. I mean, I've been to Fraser Island before, and you know, I like Fraser Island, but there's just something super relaxing about Moreton Island that Fraser doesn't have, and I'm definitely going to be back to Moreton Island. A big shout out to Jesse, my photographer and videographer and producer. Like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.